All right, so here we are, Tropical Storm Lorena. Tracy and I last December made a vow to walk at least a mile every single day, and we ain't got our walk in yet. So here we are walking in the rain. It's been raining for a while. Asuncion doesn't get much rain, and with the water starting to pile up already, I'm expecting there to be some washouts nearby. But oh well. Anything to say, Trace?
It's actually kind of nice. I mean, nice steady rain. It's been kind of hard, kind of strong at times, but yeah, it's actually kind of nice.
Yeah, we're going to Mexico City next week, so this will get us ready for the rain there. This area got washed out in the last hurricane. This used to actually be a road that you could drive through. All right, we managed to get in 5 kilometers. Training pretty good, but no reason you can't get things done if you want to get them done. So came home and here's a girl out here pitching in the rain. Love the dedication. All right, that's it for this episode of Storm Watch. We'll check back later.